Okay. Thank you, Tracy and Paolo, for attending yung PK na seminar. Napakalaki ng aming responsibilidad sa bawat nag-aasawang kagaya ninyo. We are legally obligated and morally obligated to tell you the true design of marriage so you can make the right decisions later on in life. Because this is actually about your future. So give us your 1-minute feedback about this session. Gano'n to kahalaga at gano'n to ka-importante sa bawat nag-aasawa. Tell them the importance. Let's start with Tracy.
First of all, Sir Father, thank you so much po sa time. And we are beyond grateful, not because this is a requirement from church,
Mm.
but enlightenment at saka yung teaching talaga, bumabalik.
Mm.
Diba? Kasi kailangan po talaga namin yun. Kahit na pumatagal na kami nagsasama ni Paolo, may mga times din po talaga na it's very challenging. At pagbabalikan namin yung mga natutunan namin ngayon, it makes our lives easier. Parang sa pagpaalaga ng bata, sa pagdedesisyon, paano patakbuhin yung daily lives namin, Father, kung paano namin haharapin. So it's really helpful po, parang nakatulong talaga siya na, sige, ito yung gagawin natin ngayon, ito yung gagawa pa natin bukas, alam natin kaya nating harapin pa yung future. Parang ganun, Father.
Yes.
So parang naging lighter po para sa akin.
Yes. Thank
So
you.
thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
It gives you confidence now, di ba? To be
Yeah po,
to be a
oo, in
better
a
mother and
way,
better
as a
wife.
mom, as a wife, parang
Yes.
kahit papaano na-lead ka talaga.
Yes.
Yun po,
Thank you.
Father.
Thank you. And I
Thank
hope
you.
na-correct ko na yung mga wrong mindset nyo before, ha?
Opo.
Ha? Okay, thank you. Let's hear from Paolo.
Then, Father, thank you for the time for accepting us today for such short notice. Uh, Again, like what Tracy said, this is we're not only doing this because of the requirement for the church. Pero what we got from this pre-cana is the importance of marriage, life after marriage, to be
Yeah.
exact.
Yes.
How you cope up with things, how you handle things, solve the problems. Um, it is really, it is really uh, very much important that we know things or how to handle things after this. Again, we thought na we were doing things properly, correctly. Pero with this, mas na enlighten pa yung yung pwede pang palang i-improve.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
yun. Again, Father, thank you for giving this to us.
Kahit short lang.
Yes.
Marami kami natutunan, Father.
Yes. In summary, just always remember, kapag tayo ay naturuan ng tamang impormasyon at tamang pagkakaintindi natin, we can always make the right decisions in life. Kapag tama ating mga decisions sa buhay, we can have the right kind of life that we desire. Okay? Magiging tama rin ang klase ng ating buhay. By getting the right knowledge, right information, right understanding, we can make the right decisions. Ang effect niyan would be the right kind of life. It's written in Proverbs 24 verse 3 to 4. By wisdom, a house is built, and through understanding and knowledge, its rooms are filled with rare and precious treasures na parang hindi mo nagugustuhin lumabas ng bahay because it's already heaven for the family. So, aspire to make that home like heaven. And you will enjoy life as God planned for all of us. Thank you so much, and
Thank you so much po.
Thank you,
hope to
Father.
see you. Yeah, hope to see you soon, ha? Sana sana one day masakyan kita, Paolo.
Yes, Father.
In closing, isa pa, alam mo ba si Pope John Paul nung sumakay sa isang airplane minsan, pumunta muna siya sa cockpit, tinapik niya sa balikat yung piloto, sabi niya, my life is in your hands. Oh, ang galing ng experience na yun. Kaya mas lalong na-inspire yung piloto na yun na ayusin yung kanyang biyahe o buhay. Yan. Thank you. Ha?
Thank you po.
Father, thank you so much.
Pag kulang kayo sa guest, nandito lang ako. Ha? Okay. See you and God bless you always.
Thank you po.
Bye-bye.
Thank you so much. Ingat po.
Bye-bye. Ingat din.